strong as a gorilla, but I still need these gadgets. Imagine what they'll do for you.
Let's start with something that looks like jewelry, but acts like a health coach. The Oura Ring 4 in brushed silver. Sleek, minimal, and lighter than most bands, this smart ring is packed with sensors that track your sleep cycles, heart rate, body temperature, and fitness levels 24/7. The real magic? It lasts up to 8 days on a single charge, so it doesn't demand the constant babysitting of a smartwatch. It's subtle, stylish, and smart enough to turn your finger into a health dashboard. But before you dive into the world of smart rings, you'll want the right fit. That's where the Samsung Galaxy Ring Sizing Kit comes in. Instead of guessing your size, Samsung ships you 11 sample rings to test at home. Once you slip on the perfect fit, you order your actual Galaxy ring with confidence, and you even get a $10 credit toward the purchase. No wasted money, no drawer of expensive mistakes. Just smart, simple prep before you commit. Now let's talk sound. The Tagri, true wireless earbuds, are made for people who practically live with earbuds in. 60 hours of total playback with the charging case means you won't be hunting for a charger every other day. They're IPX5 waterproof, so sweat, rain, or spills won't ruin them. And the LED display on the case tells you exactly how much battery is left. Add crisp audio, booming bass, and a clear mic for calls, and these become the everyday earbuds that punch far above their price. Perfect for workouts, work calls, or just zoning out with music. Finally, the unsung hero of every messy desk, the Fine-Inno Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Imagine eating chips at your desk, crumbs everywhere, and instead of smacking your keyboard upside down, you grab this palm-sized vacuum and it just works. Light, cordless, surprisingly powerful, it sucks up dust, crumbs, and little messes on your desk, car, or couch. It's one of those gadgets you don't think you need until you use it once. And then you can't imagine not having it around. 4 gadgets, 4 very different problems solved. A smart ring that tracks your body like a coach. A kit that makes sure you never waste money on the wrong size. Earbuds that just refuse to quit. And a mini vacuum that quietly saves your sanity.
If I need these, so do you. Like, comment, subscribe before I come clean your desk myself.